Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the bolts holding the hood actuator, and then the rest of the nuts around the perimeter here to hold the grill to the hood. Go ahead and grab the grill and separate that from the vehicle. The original grill has this mounting bracket here for the hood release unit. The new grill has this bracket here. Go ahead and line up the 2 pinholes with the tabs there and install the 2 Phillips head screws. Just want to snug these down. If you over tighten them, you will strip the plastic out. Around the perimeter of the grill, you're going to have these studs with a little square back on them, and they actually fit into the back of the plastic. I'm just going to use a pair of pliers and just gently squeeze the stud and rotate the pliers. And it pops these out without damaging the threads. On the back side of the grill, you're going to have 3 tabs securing the emblem on the front. So you gently want to push those tabs inward. And use a pick to push down on the front side, and then pull the last tab out. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our mounting studs. Line them up. Use your pliers. Gently go ahead and squeeze those in. Like so. Repeat the rest for the rest of the studs. Now we have our chrome trim bezels here. They're going to go on the bottom and the middle of the grill. There are these little tabs here that fit into the notches inside the grill. I'm going to flip this over and line up those little tabs. Go ahead and press this in, and then we'll flip the grill. Going to install our little spring retainers right here, our spring clips. And we're going to start from the inside and work our way out. I want to go ahead and repeat the same for the center portion here. Line up your mounting tabs. Now we'll flip the grill and install our clips. We'll go ahead and install our emblem. The bottom goes in first. You line up the other 2 tabs. Snap it into place. I'm going to go ahead and line up our grill. I'm going to go ahead and get the 2 end nuts installed. Go ahead and repeat for the rest of the nuts. Now once you get all these on, you can go ahead and snug those down. ahead and take your hood release. We're going to get our bolts started for these here. I'll go ahead and snug those down.